Hi YouTube family, my name is Alicia English and it's the perfect time of year to start thinking about the holidays. I know it's coming only 6 weeks away. And so I thought it would be a perfect time for us to work on a family-friendly project that we could do with our families through the month of December. Advent calendars are so much fun, and so I thought it would be really neat to make an advent calendar to use with my kids that we could put something different in each of the bags. Here's how, let's get started. The first step for this project is to cut a 2-foot by 3-foot board, or a board of your size choice depending on what size your bags are going to be, and you're going to chalkboard paint it using chalkboard paint. I'm using Beauty Tones chalkboard paint. It's for inside or outside use. My chalkboard paint is all dry and I'd like to add a frame to complete the outer look of this signboard. And so what I'm going to do is use a 1x2 and use my miter saw and cut a frame. This is called a box frame. It's super easy, anyone can do it. The good thing about this being a chalkboard is that I can use this multiple occasions throughout the year by just changing my chalk lines I'm going to create. So I thought I didn't want to do a Christmassy frame color, but what I'm going to do is do a provincial stain and keep it neutral. That way I can change it up for occasions throughout the year. I'm going to use my brad nailer to adhere the frame to the actual background. If you don't have a brad nailer, you can just use a hammer and some small finishing nails. Now that the hard part is done, we get to do the fun part, which is actually decorating our advent calendar. And to do this, you're gonna need some chalk, some small brown paper bags, some jute, and some tape. Pretty easy, and you get to design this any way you want, so have fun with this part. So since there's 25 days of December, I think I'm going to do 5 rows of 5 bags. So I'm gonna try to map it out so I can hang them all the way across, leaving some space at the top to put a title with my chalk on the chalkboard. Before I chalk a title on the top of my chalkboard, I want to add the numbers for December, either 1 through 25 or 25 to 1. It's totally your family's preference. I'm going to do 25 to 1. That way my kids will know how many days are left until the big day. Now I get to add my title. Christmas movie night. Home hardware gift card.
Ooh. Do I get any of these?
They might share their hot chocolate party with you. The idea behind the advent calendar is that each day your family will have a special surprise to open. I thought it would be really fun to put some treats in a couple of them, maybe a few small little gifts, or even just little tags that say something fun that your family can do together for some togetherness time during the month of December, like watching a Christmas movie or having a hot chocolate party. I hope this video inspired you to create your own Christmas advent calendar. This is a perfect DIY for any family to create together. Thank you so much to Home Hardware for sponsoring this video. I hope this video inspired you to do your own DIY advent calendar. This is sure to bring some extra joy for your holiday season. Let me know in the comment section what you and your family would put inside your advent calendar bags. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays from my family to yours. I love you, and I'll see you on the next episode.